Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware compatibility. Make sure your Chromebook uses an Intel or AMD CPU and has at least 64 GB storage and 8 GB RAM. Once done, enable developer mode. This lets you modify the system firmware. Make sure to back up your Chrome OS profile and files to an external drive before proceeding. Next, download the Windows 10 or 11 ISO and prepare a USB 3.0 installer using Rufus or a similar tool. You will need a UEFI bootable drive to continue. Booting the installer requires custom firmware support. Once you've flashed the USB in GPT/UEFI mode and included a driver's pack for Wi-Fi and touchpad, reboot into the boot menu. If the stock firmware blocks writing, you'll need to remove the write protect screw or install a custom firmware image. This step is technical because it alters low-level firmware. Proceed carefully. Then boot the Windows installer from USB. Delete or format the Chrome OS partitions you designated for Windows, and select the target partition to begin installation. After Windows finishes installing, install the chipset, graphics, audio, and network drivers. Use the manufacturer's installers or device manager to load INF files because generic drivers often lack Chromebook-specific interfaces. Once Windows boots reliably, re-enable firmware write protection or relock the firmware to restore security. If a device like Wi-Fi or audio fails, try alternate drivers, run Windows Update, or restore your Chrome OS backup from the recovery USB. Keeping a recovery image and a spare USB is the single best troubleshooting safeguard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.